Yan guys, 32K.
Kita ang pagka-green nyo.
Pangalawang bitaw.
Habang 12 midnight, habang tumatakbo kayo, so be safe out there. Yes.
Konti na lang ilang seconds na lang.
20 seconds, countdown.
Go!
All right.
32 C2 runners!
So good try.
Let's go!
Guys, countdown for the 32K C2 in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Good luck, runners!
Enjoy, hydrate, and have fun!
Okay, Wave B, are you ready? Yung mga matipilis, sa harap. Kaya pa sa likod, sulat kita sa harap. Okay, sir. Uy, uy. Sir, yung nakikita ko sa harap. Sir, nakikita.
Ready na rin ang ating sector.
Nagka-high knees pa, mapunta sa... Parang nakikita. 3, 2, 1! Okay. Clearly, always the faster runners are dun sa likod. Ready yan. Matutulog yun nasa harap. So, Sir Lico, isa dyan, gusto na Wave B.
16 kilometers.
Yes. Don't bring the mic. Okay, Wave B, let's all welcome to Wave B. Wave B runners, good morning!
Hi! Good morning, Wave B runners!
Shout out naman dyan, Wave B! So, buddy runners, pag passion ng finish last, starting line, move kagad to the right kasi mabilis to. At medyo angry to Wave B. Gigil na. So, safety first, guys. Safety first.
10K.
Pasko sa Divisoria ngayon. Sandali, make your way. Wait, easy na. Masyadong ngayon kailangan ng chill house music. My bad DJ. Dapat tama siya. Chill house music muna. So how much time do we have, sir? 1 more minute? Mga 2 more minutes? Yeah, thank you. We're gonna chill it out muna. Masyadong na-energize yung... Alright. Okay, so we still have buddy runners. For some reason, stay on the right, please, as the faster Wave B will start off with a fast pace. Okay, let's hold off on the buddy runners muna. Okay, last. Sir BJ, let's hold off. Okay, wait, see. Holding off muna buddy runners. Sabay na sila, okay. Okay, buddy runners, sabay na kayo sa B, Alright, counting down, last 25 seconds. Let's go off. Yeah. So we got off 4:19. Okay, Wave B, run as planned. Run like we deserve to run. A fast 10K in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this! Yes, buddy runners, konti tempo pa dyan. Yeah! Give it up. Yeah! Gigil na yung nasa likod. Medyo bilis-bilisan niyo yung tempo ng takbang 10K. Yeah! Wave C! Higil na ako sa Wave C. Wave body run. Ano to? Nag-park siya to. Roughly 30 more minutes. Our call time is 5. Okay. At 5, with the 5K. Well, let's make 450 kasi 7K. Go, 7K. We'll see you guys later on. Time check is 4:32. Assembly is 5 a.m. Good morning! Let's go
16K. So yan mga guys, ito halo-halo na ito, 16 kilometers, 10 kilometers, and ayan. Kasi doon sa kabila mga guys, ang ano, doon sa kabila yung mga 21, 42, ayan, saka 32 at 42, 32 at saka 21 yon. So dito na itong 11 and 16, 5, ayan, punta na yan doon. So hindi na sila ano, isang loop lang sila. Tapos yan may lalabas pa uli, meron pa uling tatakbo ng 5 kilometers kasi yung 7 kilometers na ito, ayan, 7 or 10 kilometers, halo-halo na to, 16 at saka 11. Ayan. Ngayon medyo mag-uubaga ng mga guys. Ayan yung start. Bali, ano na ito? Finish na ito. Ayan o, nandun yung finishing, ano, arc. Yan mga guys, bali halo-halo na ito, 7K, 16K, yan, 5K, you know, bali ito finish line na yan, yan, finish line, isang ano lang, isang loop lang yan. Yan. So, time is 6:15, 6:25. Yan mga guys. Yan o. So, isang loop lang ito mga guys, ano.
Sendo ka
Tuwan-tuwa sila pagka naka-finish line.
Diretso lang to.
$7K,
Makita mo pag yung first number nila, number sa
7K, 16K. Ayan.